Do you know why hiccups suddenly make you go hic over and over? Sometimes your body just bursts out with a silly hic sound. It happens when your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs, jumps by surprise. The jump makes air rush in and your voice box snaps shut, making that funny hic sound. Hiccups usually go away on their own, but some people drink water or hold their breath to help. Next time you hiccup, imagine your diaphragm doing a tiny dance. Hiccup boogie.